It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am participating in a freestyle farmhouse collaboration with my sweet friend Tawanda over at Tawanda's Blessed Life, Felicia, who's my crafting bestie over at BOK Media Food Freaks, as well as BOK Media Life, and then my soulful sister Donna with the Creole Crafter. Let's get into DIY number 1. So I have this palette board that I bought from Dollar Tree. It's been a while now. And I have one of these home signs that I bought from Hobby Lobby. And what I'm doing, I've already pre-stained the board as well as the beads. And I am now just dry brushing over the word home just to mute the natural tone of this word. And I am going to glue that down at the top of the board. And as you can see in the clip, I'm just making sure that the placement is correct on it. Guys, can you believe we are already 10 days into the new year? I tell you, is this going to be another fast year just going by? I mean, I have plans. I need the year to slow down already so I can catch up. I am still stuck in 2025. But anyway, as you can see, I'm also using some wood glue from the Dollar Tree and adding it to the back of the board. That way it will secure to the board and will not come off. So now I have this little piggy hook, so you can use it for like a key rings, or if you want to use it with little towels or whatever. It's so cute. I think I purchased this at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I've had this in my stash for a very long time. And all I'm doing is using hot glue for an immediate hold, and then I just added some wood glue. But get you some E6000 for a firm hold. Before heading to DIY number 2, let's talk about my girl, my crafting bestie, Felicia, with BOK Media Life as well as BOK Media Food Freaks. Now, if you know anything about Felicia, you know she's known for her high-end decor, especially her lamps, entertaining lives, delicious foods, critter cam videos, and her genuine support. Head on over to Felicia's channel, tell her girl said hello. So let's get into DIY number 2. So I have one of those 12 by 12 wood squares that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I have one of the inserts from one of the Dollar Tree calendars where it is the beautiful cow right there. It's so cute. And it says Farm Life. And I'm using some of that adhesive spray on the back of it instead of using Mod Podge. And then I am just going to just press down the image onto this board, and then you will see me take some of the ribbon, one of the white ribbons that you can also find at the Dollar Tree, and create a border around it. But before we go any further into this project, let's talk about my girl Donna. Donna is the farmhouse queen, but she's also does beautiful seasonal decor, rustic decor, which coincides with farmhouse decor. If you are looking for a channel that's loaded with farmhouse decor, you want to check out Donna over at the Creole Crafter. Let's finish up with DIY number 2. Now that I have the image secured to the board, I am now just going to, like I said, make a border around the image using some of that beautiful white lace that you can find at the Dollar Tree. These projects are so budget friendly, super easy. I only have these two for you today, but I will be uploading more farmhouse to the channel this week or within the next couple of weeks. Just stay tuned because I am getting my mojo back. But these are projects that are beginner friendly, budget friendly, super easy, super fun, and very cute. But like I said, as you can see, I am just trying to get as much of that glue out of this as possible. And again, I just traced the image or outline the image using some of that white lace. Before heading into the reveal, let's talk about my friend Tawanda over at Tawanda's Blessed Life. She has a very eclectic decorating style. She's an intentional crafter, meaning she's going to craft for purpose, not just to be crafting. She gives you great migraine tips if you're a migraine sufferer, as well as provide you with sister lock updates. Most of all, she is my sweet friend. Head on over to Tawanda's Life and Blessed Life and tell her Joy said hello. Now let's get into this reveal. Here is DIY number 1. I think this turned out super cute, super easy. Like I said, these are all budget friendly. It will not break your bank to recreate these. And the best part about it, you can make this your own. When we bring you the inspiration, you take what we've brought to you and you just enhance it. This is very cute. I like it. Very simple. And now we headed into DIY number 2. This cow is just so cute. Look at me. So cute. So cute. As you know, I have roosters, so we are really, my husband and I, Uncle T and I, are really headed into this real farm life very soon. So I know that I haven't updated our new channel yet, but it will be going up this year. But yeah, look at these 2 projects. I think they turned out super cute, super easy, very fun. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Make sure you check out the ladies. Thank you for watching this video. And until the next DIY.